Good morning student. In our last video we have discussed about psychology and sports and developmental characteristics at different stages of growth and development. What are the development at different stages of growth and development? Growth means increase in size, shape, height, etc. and it can be measured. And development, it is a qualitative change in quality, characters, functions, and it can't be measured. And the different stages of growth and development. The stages of growth and developments are prenatal stage, babyhood stage, early childhood, later childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and old age. Prenatal stage, that is from conception till birth. In this stage, growth is as compared to in this stage both growth and development take place, but especially growth is very rapid in this stage. And is infancy or babyhood stage, that is from birth to 2 years. At this stage both growth and development take place in a progressive manners. And next, early childhood stage. In this stage growth is slow as well as development is slow, because in this stage there is transformation, that is there is a shift from one period to others. And in this age neuromuscular development is also slow, therefore both growth and development is slow at this stage. Later childhood stage means 7 to 12 years. At this stage growth is slow but development is very fine. There is development of strength, speed, endurance, coordinative ability, etc. Okay, so in this stage later childhood stage, that is from 7 to 12 years, growth is slow and development is fast. And adolescent stage is 13 to 19 years. In 13 to 19 years it is a teenage. It is a teenage and most delicate period for the challenging period for the parents. In this stage the child wants to take a responsibility like a adults, and they want independent, they want to live independence, they want to do their they want independent life in their independent life. They want to take responsibility, they are more close to their friends, etc. And what are the changes in this stage, that is from 13 to 19 years? What are the changes? Adolescence stage, it is a growing, it is a transformation. It is in this stage their childhood stage finish and there is a shift from shift to mature period, that is growth to maturity. Okay, adolescent stage, in this stage childhood stage complete and they go to maturity, that is it is growing period from childhood to maturity. Adolescence, it is the period through which growing person make transactions from childhood to maturity. It is also known as teenage. And adolescence start with puberty and continuous till maturity, that is from 13 to 19 years of age. There is the balance between physical and mental is lacking. In this adolescence stage, the balance between physical and mental development is lacking. There is a physical growth, but the mental development is slightly slow. And also the sexual growth is not related to emotions. This stressful period is difficult for both individual as well as for our family members. Therefore, the parents should take care of their child, give them proper guidelines, etc. What are the changes in adolescence? Adolescent change. First, physical change. At this stage, adolescent stage, that is teenage, the physical change like bone hardening, mustache change in voice, muscular change, black hair, pimples, acne over the skin, etc. These are the physical change which occurs in adolescence. In this period, the rapid physical change happen. There is a fast physical change, and puberty bring remarkable sex difference which change the shape of the individuals. Okay, adolescence, there is a rapid change like change in their muscle, their bone, mustache, voice, black hair, etc. There is a rapid physical change. Therefore, the adolescence, the child should take a good diet. He should do a heavy workout. In adolescence stage, that is from 13 to 19 years of child has more energy, so they should participate in heavy physical workout. They should participate in creative physical activity. They should wear suitable clothing so that to avoid posture deformity. Okay, suitable clothes. They should follow hygienic habit, healthy sports environment. They should live in a healthy sports environment for proper growth and development of their body. Next is psychological change. What are the psychological change in adolescence? As compared to physical change, the psychological change are at leisure pace. Okay, the psychological change is at leisure pace. The child does not know what is good and what is bad for them due to lack of practical experience. They have a knowledge, but there is a lack of experience. Therefore, they do not know what is good for them and what is bad for them up to the mark of teenage. Though the intelligence of an individual is developing, but there is a lack of practical knowledge. Therefore, the adolescents make a mistake and hide their mistake with their parents. They don't told their mistake. Okay, they do the work freely. They want to live a freedom life. Therefore, they make a mistake and they hide their mistake. These teenagers need a logical explanation. They need a logical explanations, intelligence, developing educations, moral value, positive behavior from the family, good friends, proper use of expense. Okay, this we should teach them the moral value. We should teach them positive behavior. The positive behavior comes from family, friend, and we should also guide them the proper use of money, expense, etc. Next is emotional change. What are the emotional change take place in adolescence? And the emotion in adolescence is very rapid. It is very sudden and intense. Okay, the emotions in adolescence is very sudden and very intense. These emotions are sometimes uncontrollable in the adolescence. The adolescents, they are unable to control their adolescents. They are unable to control their emotion. They have aggressive natures. Aggressive natures, and they disobedient behavior. They does not obey their adults, their parents, etc. Aggressive behavior, violent behavior. In this adolescence period, they needs a moral and character development habit. We should guide them. Special guidelines should be given. Proper attentions, time. The family should understand their needs, the needs of a child. We should control his emotions, expressions of emotions in a proper way. Next is social change. Our teenagers enjoy the company of friend. Thus, their attachment towards the friend is more as compared to family. His loyalty towards the group is more. They want to live with the friends. They enjoy the company of their friend, etc. Therefore, the child, the teenager should have a good friend, and also the parents should act as a friend. We should develop socialization quality in a child for its development. This is the social change. And next is, this is about the adolescent change. Okay, physical change, psychological change, emotional change, and social change. Adolescence stage, that is from 13 to 19 years. It is a most critical stage for parents as well as for individual, due to lack of practical experience, and this stage, it is a transformation stage also. In this stage, their childhood stage complete, and they turn into maturity. It is a growing it is a period through which a growing persons make transaction. It is a transformation from childhood to maturity, and in this stage there is a rapid change in physical, psychological, emotional, and social. Physical change means change in their bones, muscles, voice, skin acne, blackhead, etc. These are the physical change, and it take place in rapid physical change happen. Psychological change means aggressive behaviors. The adolescents have aggressive behaviors, violence. They are unable to control their emotion. They are unable to control. They are unable to, in psychological, they are unable to control their emotion, unable to control their aggressive. And psychological change, psychology is related to their mind. In psychological, they want to take decisions as a adult. They want to take freedom life and want to take their own decisions. They make a mistake, hide their mistake with their parents. They need logical explanations, etc. Emotion change means the emotions, the emotion of a child, the emotion of teenage are very aggressive, violent. It is very sudden and intense. They are unable to control their emotion. Aggressive behaviors does not obey their parents, their elders, etc. And social change means change in their social quality. They enjoy the company of their friends. Their attachment towards the friend is more, and towards the friend is more than their family. They give more importance to friend. Therefore, the child should have a good friend, and also the parents should act as a friend. We should develop social quality in a child and its development. Next is, what are the problem of adolescence? Adolescence problems. First is aggressive and violence behavior. Okay, adolescents, they have aggressive and violence behaviors. Often their aggressive is very rapid and very fast. They become irritated very fast. They easily become irritated and repulsive when the work is not of their interest. Okay, when any activity or work is not of their interest, they become irritated, they become aggressive, violent, overconfidence and hide mistake. Adolescents, they are often overconfident, they possess as a hero. Okay, they are too much overconfidence and they wants to be as a hero, therefore they make a mistake and also try to fool others through their intelligence. Friend give an importance. Adolescents, that is teenage, they give more importance to their friends, enjoy the company of friends, and sometimes the bad friends, that bad friend, the company of bad friend bit antisocial habits and try to follow them. Therefore they should have a good friend only and avoid the company of bad friend. Wastage of time. Teenagers waste their time in useless things like gossiping, talking, watching television, listening music, etc. They waste their time. Okay, does not give importance to their time, and therefore they waste their time in useless things. Deflected towards drug and smoking. Usually at this stage, adolescent stage, the child deflected towards the drug and smoking. This 13 to 19 years is too much delicate, most dangerous stage for the child. Therefore, sometimes they deflected towards the drug smoking due to the company of bad friend. And this drug smoking, it is a health hazard. Therefore, they should avoid. Wrong sexual desire. Adolescents, they have wrong sexual desire, and due to this, sometimes they commit wrong sexual relationship and attempt them by wrong means like doing rape, going to posters, teenage, pregnancy, etc. Attraction toward opposite sex. Teenagers in this age are attached towards the opposite sex and have lot of desire to get interact with them. Lack of concentrations. Teenagers have lack of concentration towards the study. Sometimes they lost their interest if it is not satisfactory in their academic. Sometimes if their academic, if their marks is low, if they fail in the class, then the concentrations towards the study is low. They don't want to study. It is affected if their percentage is not up to the mark of their. Neglect family. Often teenage neglect or avoid listening of their family, listening of their parents, and feel self-dependent, and they want to take decision. They don't want to listen to their family. Lavish expense. Adolescents make a lavish expense. They wastage their money on useless things like makeup, costly clothes, jewelry, fast food, etc. Beauty conscious. Adolescents are more beauty conscious, like body figures, structures, shape, beauty. Waste lots of time for them. Inadequate rest and sleep. During this stage, they have sleepless night. Inadequate rest and sleep, this causes many abdominal health problems. Usually at this stage, the child spend their time in mobile, making TikTok, gossiping with friends. Therefore, they have inadequate rest and sleep, especially sleepless night, gossiping with their friend. This affect their health. Drug abuse. teenagers often deflect towards the new things. They want to do new things. Therefore, they sometimes drug abuse. They want to take drugs due to this curiosity. They want to do new thing. Therefore, they sometimes try to take a drugs also. Depressions, as adolescents are very strong and uncontrollable emotions. Okay, adolescents, they have strong emotions, and their emotion is also uncontrollable, due to which they undergo depressions. These are the problem of adolescence. Next is management. How you manage the adolescence problems. At this delicate stage, one needs proper guidelines. Okay, this adolescence, it is a delicate period. Therefore, the child should need a proper guidance. They need a counseling, check, channelize of energy, etc. Some steps are: first is proper knowledge of adolescent psychology. Parents, teachers or guardians must aware about the adolescent psychology. Okay, they should know the psychology of a child. They must understand the behavior of a child and must save them failing to prey to a mental tensions, worries or other stress. Parents or teachers, guardian and friend must have a good coordinations. They must help each other to solve the problems at the earliest in a best possible way. Means the child, the parents should know the psychology of a child. They should understand the behavior of their child. They should understand their mind, their problems, and solve their problems before they fall into stress, tension, and they also act as a good coordination. They coordinate with their child. Okay, the parents should coordinate with the teachers, friends, etc., so that they understand their child and also help each other solve their problems. Providing health environment. We should provide healthy atmospheres, healthy environment, cheerful, playful and healthy, so that proper growth and development take place. And we should also provide proper facility and opportunity according to their demand, and there must be a safe and healthy environment. Okay, we should provide them healthy environment. Proper sex educations. At this stage, sex difference bring prominent change. Therefore, they must be aware about this in a systematical way. We should provide them knowledge about this and also guide them to tackle these types of problems and their doubt. Corrections and checking of mistake. At this stage, the teenage wants to have a liberty to take their own decision. Therefore, we should give them the chance to make their decision, and also we should guide them. If they make a mistake, we should guide them in a proper way. Their fault, mistake and error must be politely and sympathetically treated instead of beating, blaming or giving punishment. Okay, because adolescents, they want freedom, they also want to take their own decisions. Therefore, give them some chance to take their own decisions. And also you should check their decisions, check their mistake, and if they make mistake, guide them in a proper way, in a proper way, Okay, in a politely proper way. Proper use of time. Teenagers have lots of energy, time, and need good program to channelize it in a proper way. Usually, the teenagers have lots of time. Therefore, we should use their time in a proper way, like participating in physical activity such as sports, game, recreational activity, adventurous activity, etc. for their proper use of time. This activity, this activity satisfy the instinct of play, curiosity, aggressions, etc. Also give an outlet to the inner talents. So there, and also helps to show their inner talents. Okay, so this means we should use their time in a proper channelized way. Mode of educations. Adolescents must be properly guided by the teachers and parents. Okay, the teenagers, adolescents should be guided properly by the teachers and parents. Education should be provided them according to their interest. Okay, we should provide them educations. Usually the adolescents don't want to study. Therefore, we should give them education in a interesting way. Proper teaching methods should be used to make the education interesting, enjoyable, and also sufficient opportunity must be provided towards vocational educations. Educations must be related to their future profession, to their career. Okay, we should give them educations related to their future profession. And also parents and teachers must take their academic progress from time to time. We must check their academic progress from time to time. Next is development of moral value. At this stage, children lose their interest in moral characteristics. This depends upon the parents and teachers and guardians to develop good morals value in them. Okay, so the teachers, parents should develop good moral value in a child. They must be properly taught about their cultures, traditions, customs, and follow them sincerely. Spiritual guidance. At this stage, the children lost their interest in spiritual idea. They should be guided properly. Okay, adolescents should be guided properly about the religions and secular idea. They should be active towards the environment and helps to control the pollutions. Next is friendly attitude. At this stage, adolescents wants to live with the friend. Their attachment towards the friend is more. Therefore, the teachers, parents should act as a friend rather than strict, disciplined and rigid parents. Okay, parents should be like a friends with their child, more close instead of making gap. There should be a close relationship between child and parents, teachers. Independent idea and liberty with proper check. Children should be given freedom to take their own decisions. We should give them some independence. They should also have independent idea which can be followed with some liberty under the proper check. Okay, we should take them to take their own decision, but we should do a proper check from time to time, checking their mistake, correcting their mistake, guiding them, etc. These are the some management of adolescents problems. How you can solve the problem of the adolescents. Problem of adolescents are aggressive aggressive behaviors, overconfidence, making of mistake, giving more importance to friend, wastage of time, money, wrong sexual desire, attraction towards opposite sex, lack of concentration, they don't want to study, neglect the family, wastage of money, time, drug abuse, depressions, etc. Therefore, we should manage their problems. We should solve their problems through providing them healthy environment, more the educations, teaching them of proper use of time, spiritual guidelines, developing morals, values in them, giving knowledge of adolescent psychology, having knowledge. The parents and teachers should have a knowledge of psychological knowledge so that they can understand their child, they can understand the problems of their child and solve their problems without telling. And the parents should act as a friend. We should give them independence to take their decisions, and we should take a proper check. We should take a proper check and have a sympathetic attitude. We should be politely. We should correct their mistake politely, sympathetically, instead of beating, blaming or giving punishment. These are the some steps for the management of adolescents problems. We have complete the chapters psychology and sports. Okay.